WHO commend China for submitting COVID-19 vaccine data for assessment. Iran rejects reversing nuclear steps before US left sanctions. Five people dead in Cuban military helicopter crash. In Geneva, a week-long meeting of Syrian Constitutional Committee has concluded without reaching any agreement. China has warned Taiwan that any attempt to seek independence means war. Car bomb blast killed 8 security force members in Afghanistan.